Hello friends, this video pair of linear equations in two variables part 6 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 5. For example, here we will represent graphically the cost of 2 kg of apple and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be 160 rupees. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apple and 2 kg of grapes is 300 rupees. So let's assume the apple cost is x and the grape cost is y. The question says the cost of 2 kg apple, that is 2x, plus 1 kg of grape, that is y, is equal to 160. 1 into y is y. And the next statement says 4 kg of apple, that is 4x, plus 2y plus 2 kg of grapes, that cost 300. We have to find the cost. If you see here, there is a catch. After a month, the cost is this much. The price may vary, but we are assuming that after the month also, the cost of apple and grape is same. And here also try to understand if we get a finite solution. See, in this case, for these two equations, if we get a finite solution, that means the price of apple never varied. The price of apple was same. The price of apple today and the price of apple after 1 month is same. But if you don't find a concrete solution, that means the price of apple that was 1 month back and the price of apple today is different. You know why? Because see, with these two equations, if you find a concrete solution, that means there is one value of x and y that satisfies both the equation. And that is common to both cases. That is common to today case and that is common to after 1 month case. This is today case and this is after 1 month case. So if you get a common solution, that means the price of apple is same because that price is common to both the cases. But if you are not getting any solution, that means the lines are parallel. That means there is no common value of x and y. That means the price has either increased or decreased. The price today is not price after 1 month. So such thing also we can get graphically. Now let me draw the graph on this. So for first, x 2x plus y is equal to 160. We have this x and y are 1, this is 2. So I'll take, let's suppose x is equal to, we will take 50. 50 is decent number. X is 50, this becomes 100, y becomes 60. I'll take x is equal to 60, y becomes 40. I'll take x is equal to 70. Y becomes very simple, you can see also. So if you say x equal to 50, y is nothing but y is equal to 160 minus 2x, that is 100, that is 60. Similarly, in case of x equal to 60, this becomes 160 minus 120, 60 into 2, that becomes 40. In case I do 70, this becomes 160 minus 140, that is 20. See, you can take any values actually. But the reason why I am taking these values out, this is making my life simple. I am getting non-decimal values which are easy to represent. Correct? Now let me take next equation. X by y. Here if I take x is equal to, for example, 70 if I take, this equals 280. And if you subtract this is equal to 20, 20 by 2, 10. So I will take x is equal to 70. Y I will get. Correct. Now let me take this as 80 or let me take 60. So if I take 60, 2y is nothing but 300 minus 240, 60 into 4, that is 60 by 2, that is 30, this equals 30. Correct. Now let me take, if I take 50, I take 50 also. So 50, this becomes 4x, that is 500. 4 into 5, 20, 200 plus 2y is equal to 300. I am taking this equation. 4x is equal to 4 into 5, 50 is equal to 200. So I will get y is equal to 100 by 2, that is 50. 50. These three values we have. Now using this I can plot the graph. So let me assume this is 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Correct? So I'll write here 20, 40, 60, 80. This is also 20, 40, 60, 80. Since I have all positive values, so I have not even plotted in the negative. So x is 50, 60. This is 50, and this is 60 is this point. 60, 40. This is 60. This is 40 is this point. 70, 20. This is 70. This is 20 is this point. So I have this line. Correct? Let me plot it. Plot these points. I think I didn't plot well. So to plot this up the length to come something like this. A straight line is. This is a straight line. Yes. This is a straight line. Now let's plot for the second one. X is equal to 70 and y is equal to 10. This point. This point. X is equal to 60, y is equal to 30 is this point. X is equal to 50, y is equal to 50 is this point. Look at this. Sorry. X is equal to 60 and y is equal to 30 is this point. X is equal to 50, y is equal to 50 is this point. If you see, both the lines are parallel. If I plot this line also, plot this line, which is not straight, but if you see these lines are parallel, both the lines are parallel. Correct? Both the lines are parallel. What does it mean? Since both the lines are parallel, that means there is no solution. Since both the lines are parallel, that means there is no solution. And since there is no solution, I can say that the price of the apple and grapes changed after a month. It was not same. And that is something which you can get from the graph. Had this met at a point, you could have told that, yeah, the price of the grapes and apple were same. But since they are not meeting, that means there is no solution for this case. So we can say that the price of apple changed. What we have done, we have assumed the apple price to be x and the grape price to be y. We found the equation, we plotted it, and found there is no solution. Then we can conclude that the price of apple and grape changed over a period of time. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.